Hello and welcome to Wonder of Learning Science Connections. Today we'll be learning about the 4 seasons. Today, boys and girls, we are going to embark on a fascinating journey through the 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and fall. Each one offers its own unique gifts and experiences. You might be wondering what causes the 4 seasons to occur. It all starts with the position of the Earth. The cycle of the seasons is caused by our planet's tilt toward the sun. As you can see in the picture, the Earth spins around on an invisible axis. We can't feel the spinning motion because gravity keeps us secured to the ground. It takes 24 hours or 1 day for the Earth to rotate all the way around. Thus the reason why we have night and day. While the Earth is slowly rotating around on its axis each day, the Earth is also slowly revolving around the sun. This process takes the Earth 365 days, or on a leap year, 366 days, to completely revolve all the way around the sun. Also, while the Earth is slowly moving around the sun, the moon is revolving around the Earth. At different times during the year, the northern or southern axis is closer to the sun. During these times, the hemisphere tipped toward the sun experiences summer, while the hemisphere that's tilted away from the sun experiences winter. At other locations in Earth's annual journey, the axis is not tilted toward or away from the sun, and during these times of the year, the hemispheres experience spring or autumn. The equator is an imaginary circle around Earth. It divides Earth into 2 equal parts, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. It runs east and west halfway between the north and south poles. The closer you are to the equator, the warmer your climate is, and the farther away from the equator, the colder your climate will be. As you can see on the global map, the continents of South America and Africa have a very hot climate year-round, while the continent of Antarctica is extremely cold year-round. Remember, the continents on the opposite side of the world will have opposite seasons from the other side of the world. So when North America is having summer, it will be winter in Australia, and vice versa. Also, when North America is having spring, Australia will be experiencing fall. Pretty awesome, isn't it? You also might be wondering, when did the seasons happen? If you look on a 12-month calendar for 2024, you'll see that winter actually began on Thursday, December 21st, 2023, and goes through Tuesday, March 19th, 2024. This is followed by spring, which begins Tuesday, March 19th, 2024, and goes through Thursday, June 20th, 24. Then summer begins on Thursday, June 20th, 24, and ends on Sunday, December 22nd, 2024. And finally, fall begins on Sunday, September 22nd, 2024, and ends on Saturday, December 21st, 2024, and then the cycle of the season starts again. Winter wraps the world in a blanket of snow, turning it into a magical wonderland. It's time for cozy firesides, warm cocoa, and the enchantment of snowflakes. The days are shorter and much colder. What activities can you do during winter? If you live in an area that gets lots of snow, you can participate in activities like skiing, snowboarding, sledding, ice skating, making snow angels, or building a snowman. Some people might prefer to stay indoors in front of a warm fireplace. They might enjoy activities like drinking hot chocolate, or eating a bowl of hot homemade soup, or just reading a good book or watching a good movie. What about animals in winter? Many animals will hibernate or find a place to shelter during the cold winter months. Some animals, like birds and butterflies, will fly to warmer climates in the winter months and return to cooler places in the spring and summer. Let's not forget the fun holidays that occur during the winter months, like Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, New Year's Day, Chinese New Year's, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, Groundhog Day, and Valentine's Day. Then spring arrives after the long winter slumber, bringing forth new life and an explosion of colorful blossoms. It's time for renewal and awakening. What activities can you do during spring? In spring, the weather is starting to get warmer, the days are starting to get a little longer, and many people start to prepare the ground for gardens and will plant seeds and plants in the ground. Other people will begin to ride bikes, exercise, and just enjoy walking out in the fresh air and sunshine. After the plants have grown, gardeners will begin to start picking fresh vegetables and having picnics or backyard parties and enjoying the outdoors. Spring is a very important time for animals also. Animals come out of hibernation and will start to eat and build new homes. Bees and other insects will start pollinating the flowers and plants to help them grow. This is important for humans as well so that we can have food. Let's not forget the fun holidays that occur during the spring months. Easter is celebrated, which is an important Christian holiday, as well as April Fool's Day, Cinco de Mayo, and Mother's Day, in which we honor our mothers. Next up is summer. Summer is synonymous with sunshine, warmth, and boundless outdoor adventures. It's a season of beaches, picnics, and carefree days under the sun. This is when we experience long days and hotter temperatures. What activities can you do during summer? Many people enjoy outdoor picnics, trips to the beach where you can swim in the ocean, or a day at the pool. There is always ways to help clean up the environment and learn new sports in the great outdoors. There are plenty of farmers markets where people sell their fruits and vegetables they have grown in their gardens. Students enjoy spending the summer months out of school. Children love spending time at the park, going up and down the slides and swinging on the swings, and being with family and friends. One of the most fun things about summer is planning a trip to the beach to spend the day laying in the warm sun or taking a dip in the cool ocean water. Perhaps you might want to bring along a picnic lunch to eat. A favorite pastime is finding seashells along the shore and seeing how many different ones you can collect. Make sure you watch out for cranky crabs and sneaky seagulls who want to steal your lunch. Let's not forget the fun holidays that occur during the summer months. We get to celebrate Veterans Day, Flag Day, Father's Day, Juneteenth, the 4th of July, and Labor Day. Now let's embrace autumn, or as many people call it, fall. As the days grow shorter, fall paints the world with rich hues of red, orange, and yellow. It's a season of change, reflection, and nature's grand art show. What activities can you do during fall? Fall brings apple picking time. There are many farms where you can go and pick your own apples, or you can buy a bushel full of red, crisp apples. These are yummy to eat by themselves. They also serve hot apple cider to drink and candied apples to eat. Both taste delicious. Fall is always such a fun time to head to the pumpkin patch and pick out a pumpkin. Once you get them home, you can have fun carving them for decorations, and you can use the pumpkin inside to make a pumpkin pie. Many people enjoy sitting by a warm campfire and roasting marshmallows. During fall, it is fun to watch the squirrels, birds, foxes, and insects and other animals as they start storing food and preparing their shelters for the winter months to come. Let's not forget the fun holidays that occur during the fall months. We get to celebrate Veterans Day, Halloween, Day of the Dead, and Thanksgiving. As we marvel at the wonders of these seasons, let us remember the valuable lessons they teach us. Winter imparts the magic and stillness and the comfort of togetherness. Spring reminds us of the beauty of new beginnings and the importance of growth. Summer encourages us to embrace the joys of leisure and the great outdoors. And autumn teaches us the beauty of change and the value of reflection. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the 4 seasons. May we always find inspiration in the cycles of the seasons of nature in our world. Embrace the changes, celebrate the beauty, and spread kindness and joy throughout the year. Thank you for learning with me today. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. We hope you'll join us again soon for another lesson on Wonder of Learning. Until then, bye-bye.